Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a Spray Tower Diverter Cap on your dishwasher. The reason why you might have to do this is because the cap is damaged, broken, or missing. For this repair, we'll be using a flathead screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for our demonstration. It's a Maytag. Keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you have at home, but the same technique should still apply. So we're going to open up our dishwasher here and pull out our lower rack, and you'll see right here on our spray tower there's actually nothing on top of it. There's actually supposed to be a diverter and a cap on top, however that's missing. So we're going to take off this nut here, and now you can grab your new OEM replacement diverter cap. Your diverter cap comes with the cap here itself as well as the diverter. And if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. And the way this goes on is the diverter here goes right on like that, with these ridges going downwards. And then we'll put our nut back on, and that'll just screw on like that. And then we'll line up our cap here. We're going to line up that hole there with the cap hole as well, and then all we're going to do is we're going to just push it all the way down so that it snaps into place, just like that. So you'll see that it's on nice and secure now, so we can push our dish rack back in, close your door, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.